Hello students, so today we'll start new lesson 9, using list and tables in HTML5. So in this chapter, we will learn about the ordered list and unordered list and how we add the table in the web page. So in the previous class, you were introduced to the basic formatting tags used for designing the web pages in HTML. So the full form of the HTML is the Hypertext Markup Language. So maybe in the previous class you have learned about the HTML, that how to make a web page, how to create a website. Now you have also learned in the previous chapter about the uses of the CSS, cascading style sheet, to spruce up the appearance of these elements. So with help of this CSS which we have learned in the lesson 8, which is the cascading style sheet, that is used to control the appearance of the content of the website, that is the elements of the web page. In this class, we'll discuss some more tags to embed objects like list, links, and tables in our web page and to make it look more appealing and professional. So how we add the list? List means ordered list or unordered list. So if you arrange the items over the web page in an ordered form or in the unordered form, that is called the list. Link means to create a hyperlink. So if you click on a link, a new web page will open. So see the list. A list is the most efficient way of presenting the information in a precise manner. Whether it is the minutes of a meeting, a list of items, or the table of contents of a document, you will find the use of a list in all of these. It helps in making important points stand out more clearly, thereby grabbing a website's visitor's attention. So on the web page, we point out or we focus on the items, that is the list of the main points uh, for which you can by visiting the web page about all that items you can gather the information. So this HTML supports different elements to create a list for displaying items in a specific order. This list is can be defined in different styles. So basically this list is of three part types: unordered, ordered, and description list. See what is the unordered list. An unordered list is a list when the items are not to be displayed in a particular sequence, means the numbering is not important. The list begins and ends with UL tag open and UL tag close. These are called the elements tag. So HTML is a tag based language. So these are called the tag container tag. So it's always written in a pair form. This is the opening of the UL tag and this is the closing of the UL tag. So this you are seeing the forward slash symbol is used for closing the tag. It indents each item in the list and adds a bullet against each of them. It is also known as the bulleted list. So before the items, you'll find the arrow shape, or you can find the disc shape symbol. You can find the star shape symbol. So different symbols are there. Shapes we use before the name of the item. That is called the bullet. Now you can see here the arrow is used. This is the list of the stationery items: pen, eraser, pencil, stencil, clipboard. Li is a list of item tag. So to write the items on the web page in a list in a ordered manner or unordered manner, we use a li tag inside the ul open and close. Inside this you write this li tag to display the list of items contained in any of the two list types, unordered, ordered list. So li tag is used in both the list, ordered list also and unordered list also. Now see, this is the HTML code how to add another list on the web page. See, this is the every HTML code begins with the HTML tag. This is the structure of the HTML code. HTML open. Inside the HTML we use the head tag. This is the head tag open. So head tag, the things what you are writing inside the head, that will not appear on the web page. This is the header section, the information for the reader who is going to read the code program. So inside the title, see title tag open and close. Inside the title, whatever the text you write using list, that is appear at the title bar of the web page. As you can see this window which I am showing you, so that is the topmost horizontal bar is called the title bar. As you can see here written the Adobe Reader is the name of the application. And C79.pdf, this is the name of the file. So similarly here using list, this list name will using list will appear on the web page at the title bar position. As you can see in this output, using list, that is the title bar. Now title close. Now see, this is the inside this style we have written type equals to text or css, style type equals to text or css. Now for the body, now for the body element we have written the rules. In the css we have learned how to write the rules for the body of the web page. Background color is set rgb, the code is given in the red, green and blue. This is the color code. Now for the heading one element color red and list item color green li. For the list item li we have set the color green. Now style close, head close. So inside the head we write this style, this is called the internal style sheet. Now body starts, this body tag open. Now whatever you write inside the body open and close, that thing will appear on the web page. So inside the body open and close, see what we written, benefits of positive attitude. This is the heading on H1 label. So H1 is the biggest size of the heading. There are 6 different headings, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, where H6 is the smallest size of the heading. So as you can see here, benefits of positive attitude is heading appears on the web page. And for the heading 1, what the rule we have written, the color of this text should be red. As you can see, this is the red color text heading 1 you are seeing. Now heading close. Now on order list tag open. List of item increases productivity. See here written increases productivity. This is the by default unordered list takes the disk bullet. If you not specify type equals to disk, so we use the type attribute in the unordered list to specify the name of the bullets. So here we haven't specified any in this code. No value is given for the type attribute. So by default it take disk shape. Now for the li item list element, the rule we have set color of this list item should be green. As you can see here, all appear in the green color. Whatever written in li. Li improves quality, second item of the list. Third item, efficient teamwork. Fourth item, breeds loyalty. Now UL close. So all these items appear in the green color. Next is the ordered list. This ordered list is used to display the list of items in a specific order. An ordered list indents and gives a number to each item in the list. That is why it is also known as the numbered list. The list begins and ends with the ordered list, OL open and OL close tags respectively. So ordered lists are mostly used in situations where order of the items is significant or where it is required to keep a count of the number of items. For example, in a recipe, if the steps are not demonstrated orderly, the end result would not be desired. So where the order is important, where the numbering is important, first what item should be placed, second what, third what, means in a procedure. So that we place it, the steps we are writing in a numbered form. So that is the ordered list, means where order specific order is important. Now see here order list is prepared. See recipe for pancake, 1 2 3 4 numbering, as you can see in the output. This is prepared with the OL tag. Now you can see the code HTML head open. Now set the head title is the ordered list. Now style, this is the internal style tag open. Type equals to text or css. Now body, for the body background we set background repeat, means the image is going to be repeat. Background repeat, no repeat, means don't repeat the image. Background image url pancake.jpg, color blue. So here we text color for the body of the web page blue, font size 20 pixel. Now for the heading H1 element color we have set red, style close, head close. Now body, inside the body we written in H1 heading recipe for pancake. See the first we have written heading recipe for pancake and the color for the heading 1 we had set red. So you can define a special style for a specific table in an HTML document by using the attribute ID of the table. For example, style table hash t1, that is the ID, with 100% background color light gray, style close. Now for the body, table ID equals to t1, and here we created a table. Now see the order list, open. Now list of item li, in a large bowl mix flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. Second, list of item in the order list, make a well in the center and pour in milk, egg and oil and mix until smooth. Another list of item, heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over the medium high heat. Another list of item, pour or scoop the batter on the griddle using approximately 1/4 cup of each pancake. Another list of item, brown on both the sides and serve hot. Now oil tag close, body close, HTML close. Okay. So this is all for the today students. In the next class we'll discuss about the attributes of the OL tag. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.